Hello everyone, I will make an overview. I will navigate through the interface. So the first page is list forms. You will see all the forms on here. Also you have this option, add new form, disable, enable, move to trash. You can duplicate the form. Also this filter to show like all forms. Save changes. That's it. And also you have the option to create new form on here on header menu. Also you can see the records, fill the records, customize the report. Also you have import, export. For example, you can export on here, just copy the exporting code, then paste it into the importing code. Then it will clone or duplicate the form. Here you have. Okay. Then save changes. Let's make a test. For example, you can see validation are working fine. Okay, just submit. That's it. It's working. And if you go to the list forms, you will see the created form on here through the import feature. Also, you can go to the records, for example, this one, check the details and you can see it. Also additional info, and also you can filter the records. You can see on here. Also you can see charts. You can choose any form and see the charts, like a report of requests. Then you have settings on here. Then you have a backup page. So for example, in here, you can delete it or you can create it. That's it. Also, you can like save it locally. Then you can just upload a backup and restore the data. Also, you have this tour guide. This works, for example, on here. You can see guide tour. It will show you just the main features sections of the software. Then if you go to system check, it will list information about the software installed. Once loaded, you will see all the software information on here, PHP version, MySQL version, PHP extensions, and more. Also on help header option, you will see documentation, forum, community. And also if you go to extensions, you will see extensions to load, like translation manager. You can translate any text from the software. Also you can enable webhooks. So then with this module you can communicate, once the form is submitted, you can communicate with other third-party services like Zapier or any other one. Also you have animation effects, to give effects to any field, like bounce, come from left to right, things like that. We'll enable that. You can see all of those are enabled. And those are the most important. If you go, for example, when you create a new form, you have two options: single form or multi-step form. For example, if you go to single form, you have many templates to use. Like for example, I will use this order form on here. I will just create it. You can see here, you can rename the form. Email settings, you will see all the settings for the mail notification. Also, you can put for customer, for example. I will put, for example, here, this is the recipient mail. So I will put here mail. Then I will go here, mail. That's it. This is for the admin. Okay, on submission, you can put the success message. Thanks. Also, you can put a redirection, like add a custom URL. Also, in global settings, you can add a reCAPTCHA 3, additional CSS, JavaScript, PDF configuration for the records. Email settings as well, records, for example, here you can use this one or the default one. It's the same. And I will just save the changes. Then you can use the shortcut, or in this case I will test in the preview. You can see here it's working. I will put any dummy test info. Okay, there it is. If I go to records, you can see order form on here. There it is, all the information on here, so it's working fine. That's for the single form. And now I will create a test using multi-step form. I will load this template on here. You can see this is the preview. And as you can see, it has other view, which is like connections. You can see on here. This one is the initial form. It's connected with this one and this one. Then address information. Finally, with review form. And these ones are depends on the conditional logic. You can see on here. Here's the conditional logic. Here the same. It's when employment status. This field definitely belongs to this one initial form. If we load this form, you can see this is the drop down field with these options: employee and employee student. If we go on the connection, you can see this, when employment status is employed, one is unemployed, or one is a student. So it will go to assigned form. This one, you know. So I will edit this one. You can see. That's it. So let's test. I will make the preview. You can see on here. Okay. I will put this as a student. There it is. Let's go. Fill the information. Submit. That's it. So if we go to forms, employment form, you can see all the information on here. So it's working fine. You can export to PDF as well. And that's it. So this is the overview. You will see I have shown you all the main features, and then where you can create a single form or multi-step form easy way. So I will make another video detailing how to create single form or multi-step form. So I think this is the overview.